Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Node.js in your system. First of all, go to terminal, type cmd and hit enter. In the terminal, type node and hit enter. If you don't have Node.js installed in your system, it will show something like this. But no worries, this video is all about it. Now go to your web browser and in Google type Node.js and hit enter. You will see the official website of Node.js, which is nodejs.org. Click on it. Here you will see two recommendations to download Node. First one is the LTS and second one is current. So LTS means the long-term support. Yeah, so it is recommended for most of the users, so I suggest you to click on this one. So the node program is downloaded in my system. Now click on it. Now click on next, accept the terms and conditions, click on next, choose the destination folder. I'll be choosing the default one. Click on next, 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 and install. So the Node.js is installed in my system. Now click on finish. Now go back to the terminal. Let me clear the screen and type node. You'll see the same error message that we got before. So you need to restart the terminal. I'll open it again. Type node. If you have installed Node.js correctly, you will see the node shell here. Here you can type JavaScript code. Yeah. So if you have gotten this, which means you have correctly installed Node.js in your system. So to see the node, which version of node that you are using, type node-p and hit enter. So I have installed 12.18.4 version of node in my system. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe my channel.